यार गोविंदा जी के साथ मैंने काम किया था एक फिल्म में, उन्होंने बहुत बड़ी बात कही कि बेटा जो हीरो होता है ना लाइफ में वो दिखता है स्क्रीन पर, और उसी तरह जो अच्छा इंसान होता है ना वो दिखता है स्क्रीन पर. एंड दैट्स Vani is a simple and lovable, good-hearted girl, and I think that translates onto the screen, and I think that will bode her well for this illustrious career that she is about to have. Now, 10 दिसंबर को, mark my words, आपकी लाइफ बदलने वाली है.
Hi Ranveer, this is Kameshwari here.
क्या नाम है जी आपका?
Thank you.
Nice cap.
Thank you. So, the first look of the film reminds us a lot about No Strings Attached. So, is there a reference or is there any similarity between both the films? What do you have to say about that?
Okay, so I'll answer your question in two parts. Hi Denzel, why are you troubling everybody, Denzel?
Hi Ranveer.
It has got nothing to do with No Strings Attached. It is originally written material by Adi. So I'm very proud to say that there is a filmmaker who's written original material. God knows there is a dearth of original material, a dearth of writers really in Hindi cinema. So this is certainly written from the heart and soul of the filmmaker, Mr. Aditya Chopra. And what was I going to say? Yeah, as Hindi cinema, what happens usually, rom-coms don't stay rom-coms. You know what happens with Hindi cinema? What starts off as a rom-com, at some point it will become a love story. क्योंकि क्या होगा कि इंटरवल में कोई conflict होगा बड़ा सा, that will precipitate the entire second half, and then by the third act somebody is dealing with very heavy emotions और drama बहुत high हो जाता है. This is a true blue Hindi romantic comedy, and that is our attempt. Our entire team, Adi sir especially, is very bullish and believes that the Indian audience has evolved. That it's not necessary that they get that heavy dose of emotion in order to feel fulfilled and satiated by a film watching experience. So this film is light-hearted. Yes, there is an emotional connect, but it is in a balanced degree. So our attempt here is to present the true blue Hindi romantic comedy. It's light-hearted, and I think that's the freshness factor in the film.
So, do you think that you said earlier that you don't relate to Tinder generation? So, do you think that this film will be specific to those generation, or it will be all?
Not really. I think it is a film that has a universal appeal. I think people of all ages can watch and appreciate. What I will advise is that you must watch this film with somebody. The मजा double होगा अगर आप किसी और के साथ देखें. It's not one of those films you want to watch. I watch films alone, but this is the kind of film you should watch with someone. So yes, it is definitely a youthful film in its essence and at its core. But as progressive and as modern a film it is, it has a very traditional heart and soul. That's kind of like Adi sir. He's got a traditional modern outlook and a progressive mind. But he's got a desi heart, a traditional heart, and that reflects very clearly in his film.
Ranveer, hi.
Vani, my question is to you. I'm sorry to interrupt. So, do you believe in befikre kind of love or the kind of love DDLJ has portrayed?
Sorry, I was just protecting my cough. I will थोड़ा सोचना.
Why don't you answer the question?
Yes, stop eating my. This is for you.
Sorry. It's okay. So, do you believe in befikre kind of love, or do you believe in DDLJ kind of love?
I believe in Adi Chopra kind of love, the love that he shows on screen. I still feel Befikre has a heart and soul, which I understand if people can't make out from the trailer because it's intentionally been cut on a surface level. But when you actually come for the movie, you will be pleasantly surprised. I hope you all are pleasantly surprised because ultimately we all know it's who the director is and the kind of his world of cinema is very different. And I mean ultimately it's an Adi Chopra movie. You will find that essence and that soul of his intact in the movie. So I truly do believe in the kind of love he portrays on screen.
बच्ची बड़ी होगी है.
Ranveer, hi.
Hi.
This is Ashish from ANI.
Hi Ashish.
How are you doing?
Top of the world, bro.
Amazing. I want to ask you, बाजीराव में रणवीर सिंह ने मोहब्बत करी थी.
जी.
बेफिक्रे में अय्याशी करी है.
हाँ जी.
तो पद्मावती में क्या होने वाला है?
वो आपको अगले साल पता चलेगा जब पद्मावती निकलेगी। फिलहाल बेफिक्रे आ रही है। हाँ जी, मैंने तो बहुत ऐश की है बेफिक्रे में। 7 स्टार एक्सपीरियंस था। मुझे तो लगा मैं हॉलिडे पे हूँ। पिक्चर तो बाय द वे बन गई। देखो, आदि चोपड़ा directs once in 8 years, 10 years, and he is the head of the studio. So whenever he does decide to make a film, production kind of pulls out all the stops. So we benefit from that immensely. Paris for 3 months, such a beautiful place, beautiful people. We had a beautiful apartment, and we go to these most wonderful places every day to shoot. So for me, it was a real breeze. It was a holiday. I had a blast shooting basically.
Vani, how was it to match Ranveer's energy? Because we've seen you telling us that working with him has been a pleasure, right? But then, how about matching up with this energy?
Very difficult to match his energy. I don't know what battery he operates. I need to find that out. It's very difficult to match up to his energy. It's very unique, and I love watching his energy from a distance. But you know what? I mean, it's very infectious. He just makes the entire room come alive. Everybody, no matter what your energy level is, he'll always end up upping that for you. That's exactly what happened, and I think it's a good learning and an observation, and I hope someday I can get as energetic as you. He used to take 1 cup of coffee. I made sure I take 2. So yeah.
मेरा आशीर्वाद तेरे साथ है पुत्र. Madam, I'll just request you, please take the popcorn away. I'm not managing to focus on my responses here. I'm really sorry. You should have asked me this question. How do I keep up with Vani's energy? That's the truth of the matter. On the first day, the first thing we shot, in the first shot, I was like, man, this girl's got immense amount of energy. I had to keep up with her. Because you're newcomer है ना, वो भूख होती है ना newcomer की, it's very hard to match up.
Also very hungry.
भूख और जज्बा newcomer का, वानी में कूट कर है. So yes, I had to match up to her energy.
Could you also tell me about the Dare song?
The Dare song.
बताओ.
What would you like to know of that song?
How was it shooting it, and when you were told that you had to do things like stripping and stuff, what was your reaction and things?
Well, Adi sir did tell me well in advance that I'm going to wear red chaddis and walk around. So I hit the gym and started dieting. I was not eating caramel popcorn at that time for sure. It was a very unique experience and a process where the entire team, all the assistant directors, Vani, myself, Adi sir, we would all have this group and brainstorm on what kind of stuff we should do in the Dare song. It was a unique process, creative process in that sense. Of course, we had a blast shooting it. That red chutney definitely became a talking point. I think what we're really happy about is that the music of the film is being loved, and that's huge for us. I know and understand all too well how important music is for a film in today's day and age. So along with Nashe Si Chad Gayi and the other songs, Ude Dil Befikre has also been loved. And especially people made it a point to praise the visualization. It's quite a unique song. It's got this zany energy to it, and that's really it really is reflective of the kind of film Befikre is.
We
Ranveer,
have seen somebody has recreated that moment.
Yeah, it's amazing, huh? I tweeted that as well. That was so cool. I thought it was amazing.
Hi,
Super
Ranveer.
Befikre of them.
Hi Ranveer. Hi
Hi.
Vani. Priya this side.
Hi.
Actually,
Priya Desai.
Priya this side.
Oh, Priya Desai.
Well, first of all, congratulations for your film. और देखा गया है कि आप काफी रियलिटी शोज में जाते हैं.
जी.
अब सुपर डांसर का भी हमने शो देखा था.
जी.
तो टीवी जो है और एक जो बड़ा पर्दा है काफी हद तक सिमिलर हो चुका है. कमाई के मामले में भी, हर एक चीज में भी. और हाल ही में कपिल का भी जो रिन्यू हुआ है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 110 करोड़ का, उस पर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है? वो आपके दोस्त भी हैं.
कपिल को पार्टी देनी चाहिए और हमें बुलाना चाहिए. इससे ज्यादा मैं और क्या बोल सकता हूँ. मुबारक हो कपिल को. कपिल is extremely talented. He's a one of a kind and once in a lifetime talent. the way he comes up with witticisms on the spot. He is one of a kind, and he deserves all the success that he's getting. Yeah, I think we've had a blast. Whichever shows we've gone, be it Super Dancer or the Kapil Sharma Show or Coffee with Karan or Big Boss, it's been amazing. This promotional campaign has been particularly fun because I guess in a small amount, owing to the nature of the film, the nature of the music of the film, it's a fun film. So our campaign has also been fun.
Yes, I would request all of you to just stick to the questions related to Befikre. That would be great. Thank
Hi,
you.
here. This is Shweta
You're
Rashmi.
completely in silhouette, madam. ऐसे लग रहा है Hitchcock film से कोई shot लिया.
Hi, I'm Shweta Rashmi.
Shweta Rashmi. Hi. I've seen your handle on Twitter.
You have?
Yeah, of
You
course.
recognize me?
Yes, not right now because you're in silhouette, but
Okay. So my question is that हमने इस प्रोमो और ट्रेलर के वक्त देखा है कि वानी आपको काफी फ्रेंड्स सिखा रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो कितनी फ्रेंड्स सीखी आपने इस फिल्म के दौरान आप दोनों ने?
मैंने कुछ नहीं सीखी.
मुझसे ज्यादा आपकी रणवीर को.
नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ वो फ्लर्टी वाले लाइन सीखे और गालियाँ.
सबसे गालियाँ सीखी.
बाकी सब वानी को आता है.
I love learning abuses curse words in any language, even in Tamil. That was the first thing I learned.
What?
Curse words.
देखो गाली तमिल में. Don't worry, हम दिल्ली में किसी को समझ नहीं आ रहा.
I know Tamil.
Oh sorry. UA film में.
Thank you, Ranveer. Thank you so much.
Shweta Rashmi, thank you.
Vani, Vani. Hi. The question
Shweta
is
Rashmi.
for you. How much
Who's that
of the-
magnifique?
Mexico.
तो समझ गई.
I know French.
अच्छा, क्या कहा मैंने सबको बताओ तो.
Net.
इतनी नहीं आती, थोड़ी बहुत आती. पकड़ गई.
Ranveer, hi, Himanshu this side from E24.
हिमांशु भी देसाई है.
Himanshu this side.
अच्छा दिसाई.
रणवीर जब फिल्म का रैप अप हुआ तो फाइनली आदित्य चोपड़ा को भी फोटो में देखा गया.
शुक्र है.
तो
Finally, now he's no test for the ghost.
किसने फोर्स किया उनको फोटो में लाने के लिए?
किसी ने फोर्स नहीं किया. वो इतने खुश थे, बोला ले फोटो, ले वीडियो, जो चाहिए ले. जान ले लो
अपनी
मेरी.
बेस्ट प्रोफाइल की फोटो रिलीज करी.
हाँ.
और अकॉर्डिंग टू रणवीर कौन है बॉलीवुड का, वानी के अकॉर्डिंग कौन है बॉलीवुड का बेफिक्रा एक्ट्रेस और एक्टर? एक्टर में रणवीर सिंह, डायरेक्टर में आदित्य चोपड़ा. एंड आई जेन्युइनली मीन इट, नॉट बिकॉज़ दे आर रिलेटेड. और एक्ट्रेस मोस्ट बेफिक्र कंगना, आई थिंक. कंगना रनौत. आई थिंक शी इज वेरी केयरफुल. प्रियंका चोपड़ा आल्सो.
और कोई हाँ यार, बॉलीवुड में बेफिक्रा तो मैं ही हूँ. बेफिक्रे तो मेरी फिल्म है, तो मैं ही हूँ ना बेफिक्रा. और तू है बेफिक्रे में, तो तू ही बेफिक्री. और not many people know Adi sir personally. He's a very private person, but I can tell you, if you do get to know him, you will realize that he is the original and biggest befikra of them all.
Hi Ranveer, this is Shrishti from PTI.
Hi.
Yesterday you both shared Aditya Chopra's letter in which he mentioned that he unlearned a lot of things for this film, be it emotion, heightened emotion or dramatic content. So to what extent you guys think that it is true?
Well, it's absolutely true. I think it was a very, very heartfelt note, very lovely. I was compelled to actually send him a message when I read it myself. It's so honest. It's so nice and lovely to read that coming from him. I believe somebody told me he's putting out another note today. Is it out? Is it out? Can we read it? So this is the first time I'm reading this note with you all. Somebody told me Adi sir का note आया, आपने पढ़ा है? और मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है. तो आज नया नोट आया जी, ताजा ताजा है आपके पास. We'll take another question till we get
This will be the
Hi,
last
this is
question.
Imli Dhawan. The question is for both of you.
जी.
How much of the real you is portrayed in the character of the film?
You'd like to go answer first?
All mannerisms, I'm telling you. I do feel my and Shara's soul is somehow connected. I do feel, this is one thing that Adi told me before he took me to the film. He said exterior is one thing. The soul of the girl needs to, I need to catch the soul. I need this girl, whosoever is going to portray Shaira, to have the exact same soul that I have in my mind. You know, she needs to be self-respecting, and whatever it is that. I mean, that's what he told me, that he felt that I'm a very self-respecting girl with dignity, and I'm just sounding immodest, but self-respecting and with dignity, and somebody who's true to herself. These are the qualities he was looking for somebody who was, he was looking these qualities for Shaira. So this was one major similarity that I feel, and I do feel I've given her my soul, because she became my second nature, you know. There's now, at times, I can't even, the lines are blurred, so I can't even, differentiate between Shaira and me at times. But I feel she's a lot more cooler than me, and I feel she's a lot more daring, and she's a lot less inhibited and less repressed. And she speaks her mind, and that's amazing, and she's a lot more daring in life. These are the things that I've learned, and I think that I've learned, and I've been inspired by Shaira, and I take that for life now. So.
Yes, Ranveer, the same for you.
मैडम कल ना मैं एक इंटरव्यू दे रहा था मुंबई में, और किसी ने पूछा एक सवाल किया मुझे, I called Adi sir from the middle of the interview. I said, sir, I just want to confirm, when did you think about me for this part? Was it before the writing process? Was it halfway through, after you finished? And he said, बेटा इसका जवाब मेरे कल वाले नोट में है. So I think the timing is perfect. Even I would like to know कि क्या है. तो पढ़ के सुनाए? चलो जी. अरे बाप रे. फोटो भी है ऐसा. लंबा चौड़ा है, पढ़ लूं? लंबा है?
Please.
बैठ जाओ आप मैडम. काफी लंबा है. अच्छा जी, आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स की कॉल आना बंद हो जाएंगे तो मैं पढ़
So
लूं.
we'll just end up after this note.
Okay. Ranveer was in Befikre even before I was, is the heading of this note by Mr. Aditya Chopra. Dharam is someone who I wish I could be. This is Adi Chopra. But I was never carefree enough to be. Dharam is a man who will remain a boy all his life. For Dharam, college never ended. The party never stopped. He's so happy being himself and making everyone around him happy that it literally becomes his job for life. If this is the character, then there cannot be any other actor but Ranveer Singh. Hi. Ranveer is Dharam. Dharam is Ranveer. Even before I knew that I am going to direct this film, I was writing it for Ranveer. Kya baat hai? I think I answered your question. Wow. He was actually the leading man of Befikre even before I was the director of Befikre. Now I have directed only one leading man all my life, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And any director who has worked with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan knows that he is a very bad habit that you just cannot get over. He makes your job so easy that you actually can't think of making a film with anyone else ever. But before doing our next film together, I had to do this one without him, and I was really scared. I was scared because I truly believe that in all the films that we have done together, Shah Rukh is the reason I came out looking good. So, am I going to be exposed now? It would have been unfair to put this pressure on Ranveer or on me to take this pressure myself. So I just didn't think of it, and I dived into this film as a new adventure with a new leading man. But the strangest thing happened. From the very first day that I directed Ranveer, he was Shah Rukh for me.
That's big. That's something.
Thank you. So, the same energy, the same brilliance, the same intellect. I knew I was in safe hands. It's not that Ranveer acts like Shah Rukh or his process is like him. It's just that the way Shah Rukh used to better my work and cover my flaws, Ranveer did the same for me. I know that for Ranveer it's a very big deal to be directed by me. But honestly, I would not have made Befikre if an actor called Ranveer Singh did not exist. Oh my God.
Well, that's beautiful, and again, we would like to thank everyone.
Ranveer, one question. We hear from Ranveer Post, right?
Okay, one last question. This is one last question.
Guys, I'm done. I can't. I'm a bit overwhelmed by this note that I've just read. I need to live with it for a minute. So you'll have to kindly excuse me.
Let's have a big round of applause for Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor as well.
Guys, I mean, the only thing I can tell you right now is that's probably the most incredible thing anybody's ever said about me. Adi sir has a very, very, very special significance in my life. I had a lifelong dream of becoming an actor, and he fulfilled that dream for me. He made my dream come true. He believed in my talent and ability when nobody else ever did. And he's given me everything, and he means the world to me. So it's a big deal for me, like he said, to be in his directorial. But I really didn't know this is the way he feels about it. So I feel immense gratitude right now. Thank you.
Alright, we are done with the question answers round, and on behalf of PVR Cinemas, thank you Ranveer and Vani, and thank you all of you for being